there and the world we keep the place will be sated with light because of all these stuff. My world because and it's moral. And it's moral. It's made up called molded material.
Program for a special bulletin.
Here's more late news.
Tuesday, 45.
Hang up and try again. If you need help, hang up and try again.
Hello? Hello?
Right on the record too, and there's another picture on the back of the album. There's another picture on the back of the album.
Sunday.
Hello, this is your Rite Aid store. We are calling to announce your Rite Aid store that your order is ready.
The naval bombardment of these soldiers fighting on land continues. Radio is on the air.
This is 9-1. This is 9-1. Type.
Say, whatever your name is. For the economy as a whole.
We'll arrive on the street. Hello, Steve.
Oh, you're looking for someone, is it?
Later, at his flat, under a magnifying glass,
It was warm in Los Angeles. It was cold in Los Angeles. Great.
No, sir.
This is Elmer Davis again. Still don't know what it is or where it comes from.
We bring you this special radio television broadcast in order to give you the very latest information on an amazing phenomenon.
Break my concentration again. I'll need no assistance, Steve.
But I guess I was mistaken.
Have a cup of coffee.
The time now